This Thanksgiving, let your outdoors tell a story of warmth, gratitude, and togetherness. From cozy autumn colors to welcoming textures, outdoor Thanksgiving decorations bring the spirit of the season to life. Whether it's your porch, patio, or garden, a few creative touches can turn any space into a heartwarming Thanksgiving setting that welcomes family, friends, and joy. Today, we'll break it down into 3 easy parts: creating your base setup, adding seasonal accents, and finishing with cozy final touches. Whether you love a simple rustic look or something more elegant, these outdoor Thanksgiving decor ideas will help you design a space that feels festive and full of gratitude. Segment 1, Base Setup, 1:15 to 3:30. Start by defining your outdoor space. This is your foundation, the area where everything will come together. Focus on comfort and balance, setting the tone for your Thanksgiving theme. Think about how the space will feel as guests arrive, welcoming, relaxed, and full of autumn warmth. Consider texture and layout. Layers, height, and contrast help create a natural, lived-in look that feels both elegant and inviting. Every great outdoor display starts with a thoughtful foundation. What's your favorite way to decorate outdoors for Thanksgiving, natural and simple, or bold and festive? Share your favorite style in the comments below. Now comes the fun part, adding those seasonal accents that bring Thanksgiving to life. Focus on color, balance, and the small details that reflect the season's charm. These touches make your outdoor space feel cozy and meaningful. Mix natural tones with warm highlights to create contrast. Subtle lighting, layered textures, and thoughtful placement bring a sense of comfort that captures the heart of Thanksgiving. If these outdoor Thanksgiving decoration ideas inspired you, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who love celebrating the season in style. The finishing touches are where your outdoor space truly shines. Add elements that make it feel alive, gentle lighting, cozy seating, or simple details that invite people to gather and connect. Thanksgiving is all about creating warmth, and your outdoor space can reflect that perfectly. As the day turns to night, your outdoor space becomes a backdrop for gratitude, a place where stories are shared and memories are made. Every light, every texture, and every thoughtful touch tells a story of home. And there you have it, a beautiful outdoor Thanksgiving setup full of warmth and heart. With simple layers, cozy accents, and a touch of creativity, you can transform any space into a celebration of gratitude and togetherness. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about the feeling it creates. For more seasonal decorating ideas, cozy outdoor inspiration, and holiday DIYs, make sure to subscribe and join us for more festive home content. So this Thanksgiving, decorate with love, gather with joy, and let your outdoors reflect the spirit of gratitude. Happy Thanksgiving!